Okay, so here I am in the garage where we've got a snowdrift that blew under the door. So all that snow blew in under the door. Alright, so coming out of the garage, there's snow under it, keeping it from going all the way down. Should go flip the switch off maybe? Okay, so here's Skylar coming out in her yard. You can see we've got drift here. Can you walk over towards that big drift?
Are you going in it?
Yeah. Skylar's king of the mountain. Now fall back in it. So here's the big drift. Okay, come here. Let's tape the rest of the drifts we got out here so I can go back in where it's warm. Okay, so here's the snow we've got piled up by the house. Here's another drift. So we'll walk out this way. Here's all the snow we got piled. There's Rick. He's been out shoveling. He got his car unstuck. So here's our street behind our house. We haven't had a snowplow yet, but there's been a couple cars that have tried. You can see. Hey, Skylar, come stand by these ruts so you can see how deep they are. So you can see there's a lot of snow out here. Neighbor's yard. Some more drifts we have. I don't think the mailman made it today. He'd have a lot of snow to get through to get to our box. So, yeah, maybe later. So here's across the street. You can see all the snow. They've gotten the street over there pretty well cleared off. And then here, Skylar, hold still. Here, scoot over here. You can see him standing by this drift that's almost as tall as he is. So, this is our exciting snow blizzard 2011 Groundhog Day.